Hey everyone, I'm Sherry, independent designer for Couture. Here I have several new transfers I'm going to show you. This one, Mama's Kitchen. First, I did a fuzzing on the paper towel just to get some of the stickiness off when you're putting it on a non-porous surface. Taking white chalk paste with a squeegee and then scraping off the excess and putting it back in the container. You can use it for another time. When you go to clean this, you want to use water, get the chalk paste off, and then use your Clorox or Lysol wipes and clean both sides. Let it dry, sticky side up. Here I'm just cleaning out a few of the parts where I went over the transfer. Now the second one is Wicked Chickens Lay Deviled Eggs. Now, I don't know about you, but Easter time we have a lot of deviled eggs. So wouldn't this be a cute sign to put out? Again, the same process. I am applying chalk paste. With a squeegee, take off the excess and take your transfer off. Now the third one, Kitchen's Clothes. This heifer's had it. We're going to do all the same process again. By the way, Couture has come out with a new chalk ink, which is permanent versus the paste, which is not. It's great for fabric. You can also put it on like a coffee mug, and as long as you heat set it, it is permanent. You can put it in the dishwasher or in the laundry, and it stays right on. We'll have to show something about that later on. Wouldn't these be cute on a tea towel hanging up in your kitchen? Cleaning up a little mess. And yeah, I did it upside down. So good thing this is chalk paste, no worries. Take water, or here I'm using a Lysol wipe. Just take the old design off, clean it up real good, and you got a fresh start. Start all over. Thanks, everybody.